What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Now, getting ready for a half case of SPX teams. Names, 4 times each, 726. Here we go. 1. Bless me. 2. 3. Timestamp. Jesus. 726. Just turned 727 last on final. Fourth and final, 710, 727, 727. Edmonton. The Philly. In Montreal to Boston. There's teams. 727. Here's your names. 1, 2, 3. 727, 727 last and final. Good luck, guys. Seven 727, Besser, the Bob, David, and the Charlie. All right, there's teams, guys. I'll put them in the comments. We'll see you in about 10-15 minutes here.